Now that our lock is installed and ready to go, let's register it with our Geek Smart app. When opening the app, we cannot find the lock yet because it has not yet been registered. So to register this one here, L-B400, we want to press the little plus button up there on the top right. We arrive at Add Device. We choose Smart Lock. In here we choose the L-B400. There we go. Now we are given instructions on how to proceed. We are asked to touch the screen.
Please add a Bluetooth administrator.
We're asked to add a Bluetooth administrator. We press Next. We find the nearby door lock. Press here.
Adding administrator successful.
And we have added an administrator. Of course, you want to remember to activate the Bluetooth on your device. From here, we have a lock interface, and we can see in the top that we can lock and unlock the door here. So let's go ahead and try this and click this green big button here.
Unlocked.
Unlocked, and we can go ahead and open our lock from the outside.
Locked.
We can also add fingerprint. So we want to go ahead and press the fingerprint management button down here. There we go. No fingerprints have yet to be added, so we press the plus button on the top right and we press Add Fingerprint. We can give the fingerprint a name and we can choose if it's permanent or not. Let's call this Emil, because that is my name. All right, we press Next.
Please press your finger on the sensor.
And we're asked to scan our fingerprints.
Please press again.
One more time.
Please press again.
Scan enough time for the lock to learn your fingerprint.
Input successful.
Input successful. Now I have added a fingerprint. Let's go ahead and see if it works.
Unlocked.
Unlocked. From the app interface, you can also add passwords and passcodes. To do this, press the password management button. We arrive at the password management and no passwords have yet to been added. So we press the top right button, plus sign, and we press Add Password. There we go. Here we can choose whether it's a permanent one, a limited time password, a one-time use password, or a custom password. I want to choose a custom password. So here from the custom password interface, I can choose to give it a name or whether it should be permanent and what the password should be. I want to use a permanent password for my friend Mike. So I write Mike as for name and his password should be 12345. Please do choose a safe password. Here you can see my settings. All right, let's go ahead and create it and send it. So when we create a password, we can write an email and he will receive the password in his email box. Now we can go ahead and try Mike's password. Let's see here. We swipe the front face. 12345.
Unlocked.
Unlocked. From the app interface, we can also add IC cards. And this is our IC card. To add a new IC card, we press the IC card management, and as you can see, no cards have been added, so we press the three dots, we press Add IC Card. Here we can choose whether it should be a permanent one, and we can give it a name. Press next,
Please swipe your card.
and we are asked to swipe the card.
Input successful.
Input successful. Now, this card, and this card only, can unlock our door.
Unlocked.
Unlocked. Finally, I can also choose to use keys to unlock my door and my L-B400. You can find the keyhole down here. Down here, underneath the lock, you will also find an emergency USB charge in case your lock should run out of power. Thank you for watching. This has been the L-B400 from Geek Smart.